Good morning, everyone. As you can see, I am currently sitting at 9%, which is about 32 miles for my Rivian R1S. I was gonna go charge earlier, but since about 7:30 this morning, I realized that there were a lot of people at the chargers that are near my house. But it seems that it's busy right now on a Sunday morning, so I'm just gonna head over there right now and check it out. All right, so as you can see, it is 8:52 in the morning here. I got here with 8%, about 28 miles. It says that it'll take roughly 39 minutes for it to fully charge, or charge to the 70% that I set it at. I got this morning, charging is hot weather. When it's hot out, your vehicle has to work harder to stay cool. Turn off climate or exit the vehicle for faster charging. So I may just leave the car shortly, go take a walk around here, and head over to I don't know, a park or something near here, just to so it'll charge faster. But just gonna make this quick video here. But one of the things that this specific EV Gold charger here, it has a rating of F on the actual Rivian app. So if I click it here real quick, as you can see, it has an F rating. And again, based on the details on from Rivian on why this occurs, it's usually because charging takes too long, or it disconnects, or there's other issues when it's connecting. From what I read online, if you actually set up the app first on your phone for the actual charging, you start it there first and then you connect it, it'll actually work faster or work better, is what I read online. So that's what I did here. It went through the 3 steps to check that it is actually charging correctly, and yeah, it worked fine. It's charging correctly right now. We're getting the, let's see, again, I'm learning this. This is my first charging session, so we're all learning here and charging. And yeah, I'm getting 166 kilowatts right now. So I had the initial 152 right off the bat, and it went up to 167, and it's still climbing. So yeah, it looks like it's going good. But so far so good. I'll update at the end of this video how much it cost me to charge here. I'm also gonna add some tips about charging in Chicago, things that I've learned while looking at the maps, and things to be aware of if you are coming from another state or in the suburbs and you're coming to the city, or you're traveling through the city as one of your stops. There's things you should know about. There's things that you should be aware of when charging here, and specifically the limited amount of charging you have if you're not in a Tesla. So I'll definitely update on that, and I'll update you more on this once we're done. I also did finally receive a few more items in the mail, so I'm gonna be adding those shortly. So look forward to the next part of this. So I did step outside of my car right now to let it charge. It's still on right now, but hopefully it'll turn off in a few seconds. Just want to show the area. So there's 2 350 kilowatt chargers here. You can connect 4 cars. As you can see right now, I'm parked next to a red Mach-E, and we're currently dividing about 100. I'm getting about 160 167 kilowatts right now. But there is a Jewel right here, so you can park here. There's a bank here, and then there's some little locales here. I know some of them closed. I don't know what's still open. This is the medical district, so right over yonder on the other side of Roosevelt, there is the hospital. So you're in a pretty good area here. There's also a Chase I can see right across the street over there, and a gas station right at the corner over there for those that are traveling here in a gas vehicle. And then over here, if you do take this street, right up here to the left. That'll take you directly to a Costco. So again, if you're here waiting for it to charge and you're hungry, you can head over to the Costco over there, over that way, and get some food there, eat. Obviously after your charge, if you're on a road trip, you can get your groceries, you can get more food, and then there's some little locales here that you can also look at. Yeah, and this is from here. If you take Roosevelt, go straight east, it's literally about 10-15 minutes to get to the lake, and all the museum area over there. It just depends on what time of the day. It could take you 20-30 minutes if it's right at rush hour on a Monday through Friday type of thing. So yeah, so far so good. At this point, don't understand why this got an F. I'll keep an eye on it, but hopefully it'll keep charging and I don't have to worry about it. So here we are at about 84% charge. Again, we started at 8% as it says here. We've been charging for about 48 minutes right now. I did go for a walk around the blocks here. So I walked about 2.5 miles and was taking a few videos. So I think time well spent. I'm just waiting for the last 1% to charge up so that I can get out of here, go pick up my wife, and go for a walk with our good boys. But I want to see how much I am charging. Let's see. I think it finished. This is my first charge, so I don't know what exactly is going on here, but we will find out shortly. It's processing, it's doing something. So it's 9:40 now. So 85%, 48 minutes. You have for your final. So that is done, and I will look at the actual app in a little bit, and I will show you how much the final cost is shortly. So this is the end of the first charging session. So you can see that we got there at 8:50 in the morning, and about 9 o'clock it was still about 171, and then 9:01, 9:02 is when it started to taper off, about 150, 140, and it just tapered off until we got all the way to 85%, which was about 51 kilowatts. So a little bit of a curve there. I mean, it's at the beginning, the Mach-E there, the Ford Mach-E was parked next to me, so we were doing pretty good. Then he left at one point and we dropped, so not entirely sure what happened there, but just want to give you a quick update on that. Is my first curve, and I did decide to charge to 85% instead of 70%, since I will be going on a road trip tomorrow, and I'm going to be heading out to Michigan, and I decided to go 85% now, so that later tonight or tomorrow morning when I leave, I can just top it off and I don't have to wait, an hour or so. So there is one thing I do want to talk about. If you do not have a charger at home, as you can see, I have to sit here and wait to charge now because everybody came here at the same time. Specifically because this charging stations charge the best and the cheapest here, at least near where I live and near this area. There's two Targets that also have supercharging, but those are at 40 cents per kilowatt hour, versus these currently, as of this video, are 34 cents per kilowatt hour at 8 p.m. So everybody here, and yeah, one of the things that you need to be aware of if you do not have a home with a charger is you will have to deal with this. Just a thought, and yeah, I'll let you guys know. And the reason why I am back, even though I'm at 77%, is because tomorrow morning, and like I said, I am going to be going to Novi, Michigan, which is roughly, I think it was like 260 something miles, not hours. But if I put Novi, Michigan, and put go, the one thing that it was telling me is that I would have to make 2 stops for whatever reason. As you can tell right here, it is telling me that I have to make 2 stops, and I don't understand why I need to make 2 stops if this battery has more than enough to make it. And yeah, it's just weird. So I'm just gonna top it off, because from here to here it's roughly 260 miles. I'm currently at 257. I'm gonna get to like 85, maybe 90, 95%. I'm probably not gonna get the full 100 as a helicopter flies over. And yeah, so that's the plan for now, is just top it off to about 90, 95% probably. Go to sleep, wake up at 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning, so I can make it to Novi, Michigan by 11 without any problems. So I'll catch you guys up at the end of this charging session. All right, so here we are charging once again. Like I said, I'm just topping it off so I can be good to go for my road trip. As you can tell, it's still a full parking lot here. 2 more cars waiting back there. Oh, there we go. 2 more cars waiting. But the important thing is here, and currently at 80 kilowatts. And not bad at 77%. Earlier when I was doing this, I was at 52%, 55% if I remember correctly. So not the worst. So yeah, I just want to give you a quick update. It says 44 minutes left to go all the way to 100%. But like I said, I'm probably going to stop at around 90, 95%. So I did have an issue right now where it made me disconnect it. It said that it was having an issue, so I had to restart. It might be because I was putting the screen protectors in my car, that I put the screens into do not touch mode, or so I can clean a mode, and I think that will cause the issue, but we'll see. But just a quick video on that, a little update. So I decided to leave at 99% instead of waiting an extra 5 minutes. Don't really think it's gonna make much difference at this point, but I did get to 330 miles. So we'll see if this gets me to Novi, Michigan tomorrow.